Food coming out unevenly cooked or with burnt edges in your Ninja Woodfire oven? Fix it fast. Most of the time, it's not the recipe, it's how the rack and tray are set up. Here's how to balance the heat for better results. Step 1. Place the rack in the center. Cooking too close to the top can burn edges while the middle stays underdone. Use the center slot for even airflow and heat. Step 2. Don't block airflow with oversized pans. Air needs to circulate freely. If a pan or tray touches the oven walls, heat builds unevenly. Stick to the included Preheat tray or pans that leave space on all sides. Step 3. Rotate the food midway. Even with good airflow, outside edges cook faster than the center. Turn or rotate food halfway through to balance browning. Always use heat-resistant oven gloves when handling the hot tray. I've linked the pair I use below. They're non-slip, heat-safe, and give you better control than standard mitts. Step 4. Preheat the tray. With the oven, sliding cold metal into a hot oven throws off the temperature. Always preheat the tray along with the oven for more even results. Step 5. Keep the tray and rack clean. Burnt-on bits left behind create hot spots and extra smoke. Wipe them away after each cook once the oven has cooled. If this helped you fix uneven cooking or burnt edges, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need oven gloves for safe handling, I've linked the set I use below. Durable, heat-resistant, and perfect for rotating trays safely. Thanks for watching, and cook evenly every time.